Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. We're gonna stay in here today and try to get this CRX finally running. We just gotta get the motor put in. There's still a bit of wiring that needs to be done. I'm gonna get it all done today, but the first thing we gotta do, get the cars moved around. So let's get to that. Harness all wrapped up, and I got the motor hanging in here ready to go in. So let's take a look real quick and see what Jamie and Mark are up to today.
All right, guys, so today we're gonna do something a little different. It's cold out here. B is in the shop. Mark and I going to Washington. Sophie coming with me. And we're gonna work on the CRX today. We didn't get it running last time. Mark's done a few things. B's working on putting the CRX together, but we wanted to send him some footage. Today, I'm gonna get off the road and into the shop. Out here to Mark's house, and he's getting us prepped already. He wanted to work on this fender today, so we're going to get started on that. We're out here working on the CRX.
Cuts after the other one's made. Right there, yep. So if they split, yep. Because that 90's keeping it straight.
I think we got it.
CRX race car is looking really good down there. They got the fender all flared out, and that should cover up the slick, and they built that guard that goes in the back, and it's got the Madspeed logo in it. Shout out to Big Kim for making that happen. While you were gone, we've got the motor in here, but don't worry, let's rewind, and I'll show you how that went real quick. Now that the motor's in with a little help from my buddy Shane, we've got to get everything plugged in, all the wiring harness, everything still has to be done, all the accessories need to be done. I guess there's only an alternator and an air conditioner, and then we'll try to get this thing started up today. We'll go hard. We got hungry, so we ran out to grab some food. And now we're in Walmart trying to get some oil. We need the oil for this car, the antifreeze, an oil filter, some spark plugs. Just got to grab a few things. So super ticket.
Yeah. All together.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
1, 2. We've been going in hard on this thing. It looks like the starter is bumped, so we're gonna have to order a new starter, or maybe I've got another one over there. But we're desperate to get this start, so we're gonna try some tricky shit and see if it works. Oh shit. Here we go. Right there. If it was running already, it'd be running already. You got it? You want me to help push? I didn't know if that was gonna work or not, but it worked. We just pop started the motor, first start up in I don't know how long, but it's running. So we literally just pushed it out there and pop started it. I wouldn't necessarily recommend that. It's definitely the starter, that's all that's wrong with the car. There isn't even a check engine light, but check it out, it's running. cars never cease to amaze me. I mean, that was like a pop start from an engine that hasn't run in months. It was definitely that turbo head gasket you guys remember a few episodes back. And there it is running. Hasn't run forever and that little push start worked, but at least it's running. We've still got a few more things to do to get the car tidied up for the next person, figure out what we're gonna do from here with it. Really stoked to finally hear this thing running. It's late at night for us, so we're gonna wrap up this video here. Hey, you guys know what to do from here. Stay mad. Hey, wait, before you go, I just wanna say thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. We made 500 subscribers in only 3 months. Just keep hanging in there with us, keep hanging out, man. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, you guys stay mad. Some days are better than others.